Hello again, and welcome to this other podcast on iTunes U. In this podcast, we'll learn how to post some content to your course. If you don't know how to create a course, you can review the other podcasts that describe how to create an account and how to create a course on iTunes U. Like with the other podcast, in order to manage your content, you have to go to the URL that's on the screen, itunesu.itunes.apple.com. And once you log in, you will see your account and the course you've already created during the other podcasts. I want to click on the course's name right here so that I can look at anything that's there already. And remember, in the last podcast, we created an outline, and this will be the basis for the structure of my course. Our next step is actually to go to the posts page. Now, the posts are basically messages or pieces of information that you put inside of your course. You can see the outline becomes your series of topics, and we only have 4 right now, and that's fine. It's up to you to manage it the way you like, and you can post some information in each of those. So let's try our first post. Now, in order to add a post, you go to the bottom left of the screen and click on posts, on add post basically. Here you can choose which topic this is part of. We want it to be part of, building an outline or creating a story or whatever. So we'll just add this introduction to storytelling. And maybe this post is basically a bit of information on the history of storytelling. And then maybe it's just a bit of a message, some information that you want students to look at or just read as an introduction. Way back when, before the Red Riding Hood, there was a cave person. Right, so whatever. You can have some information here. It can be text. You can format it the way you like. It could be anything you like. So right now, that's all we need to do. I just want to post some information that every one of my students will see. And I click on post. And now I have a post with some information. I could go and edit it, or I can go and delete this post if I don't want it anymore. But right now, anybody that's joined my course will see this post. Now, it's not a lot of information here. You have to look at what this actually looks like on an iPad to see the result, but it looks pretty much the same. In our next podcast, we'll actually look at how you register for a course so that we can go forward and look at what happens when you publish something on the course manager for your students. So thanks for listening.